parts of the brain, different parts of the brain help you do things. And so one of the things your brain is doing is in the way that you see words and then process it.
Good job. 11 seconds.
And so what we're going to do today is see which one is better for you. So we have this game that we play, and it's called Okay, actually, so you do that in 10 seconds. So the theory is that sometimes it's easier to read words.
On January 7th, 1914, but
What is it? Take your goggles up. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, so that was easy because you're used to the way the world is. Now we're going to change it. And you're going to put these goggles on again. A little bit more to your right over here. Yeah. It is hard. It is hard. Goggles up. Now you see, it's kind of all over the place. You're really close. You're really close. Your goggles up. So you were a little bit closer this time. The idea is that your brain is plastic and it can change to the environment as the environment changes. Your mind's very powerful. You can overcome anything.
On top of that cup, a cake pan. Top of that cake pan, the paper top, egg. Now, you gotta stand right here. Put your foot there. Pull back and let go. Perfect. Pull back and let go. See if the egg will go. Will the egg go in the same direction as the broom? Let's test it. You gotta get close enough. Hold it. I'm gonna catch it. Let go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! She shoots. She scores. Ladies and gentlemen, the force of the broom was not strong enough to make the egg go forward. It's like inertia. Inertia is a property of gravity. So the gravity was stronger than the force of the broom. And gravity pulled the egg straight down. Do it again.
So remember, you go to a Target store, sometimes you look on the back of like the price tags or like in a box or something, you might see one of these little stickers on there. So it's a sticker, but on the back side, it's actually some wires. It's an antenna. And that little plus right there, that's a computer chip. Sure. Sorry.
You guys watch the screen.
There you go. Pretty cool, huh? This is sort of a magic mirror. It's got a delay. So there's like a 5-second delay. Pretty cool, huh?
Okay, and then take.
These are just really big computers. Do you have any questions?
what are these?
This is RAM or memory. So when the computer is working on, or when the processor is working on something, it stores it here because there's not very much space in it.
Wow. Yeah. You gonna touch it?
No. I love
They're rich in protein, right?
I'm gonna force it out. Hold the string. When I count to 3, pull back and step back. 1, sit down low. Step back. 2, 3, 4, step back. Oh, let's give it in your hand. Cold.
It's the coldest ice in the world.
It's so cold, it can make your hand freeze. Some very hot water.
I would do this
And we're gonna dump it inside the nice, boys and girls, inside that trash can. That cold nitrogen, it represents experiences like this. All the lessons your parents, your teachers, your community is trying to instill in you. Alright? The hot water represents you taking all these lessons, all these experiences, and applying it. When you apply what they're giving you, something happens amazing. In closing, it's hot. It's hot, friends. 1, 2, 3. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go.
That's it. So with the Q-tip and glue, you can make a picture of, you can either trace a tree or you can create a smiley.
All right, now cut that switch on right there. Other way. Want to see what it feels like? Put your hand right here. Put your hand right there. Because look, listen, it's not doing anything to me. It's not hurting. It's not hurting me. Because it's not going to hurt you. Right here. Oh, grab it right here. Grab it.
Watch
What you
out,
gonna do
sweetheart.
with it?
Watch out. Excuse me.
You gonna blow it on me? All right. That feels good. Yeah, blow them back. Get them off me. Blow them back. See, it's not gonna hurt you.
Are we going in the bus? Wow! There's toys!
So you can make your own movie if you want
I want to be on the side.
to. Or you can just color background.
November 1942. May 2019 was the first African American to complete a residence